Are you looking to turn off that annoying seat pressure sensor on your Husqvarna lawnmower or garden tractor? Watch this video. If you would, real fast, drop down below, hit the subscribe button, follow our journey as we grow our homestead. So I'm sure you have one of these and you've been riding it around and you get off for 1 second, no matter if you're mowing or not mowing or towing something. When you're towing other implements, you're obviously getting on and off a decent amount of time sometimes. So when you get off this thing or lean to the side too far or whatever, it starts backfiring and it's totally not what you want. It's kind of ridiculous. Now there's a simple trick to this, and the thing is, you know, you look online and you see people are like messing with electrical and all that, and you know, you really don't have to do all that. Nobody wants backfiring. It sounds like the thing's about to blow up, you know? You just paid $1 grand, maybe 2, maybe 3 for your little lawnmower and the thing's backfiring like a madman. You can't have that. All you're gonna do, pop the seat up, because obviously the weight sensor is in there. It's a pressure sensor. So you look right down under here, right? And you see this module and the wires coming into here for the back of the seat. I know it's kind of hard to see. So it comes into here, and then this is the pressure sensor itself. And now here is a little flap. I don't know if that could focus or not, but this goes up and down. So what I've done is I've used 550 cord, and there's a little tooth on it, and you tie it around that tooth, and then basically you tie it around this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie it around there and then pull it tight so it's acting as if somebody was sitting on this. And then you tie it down here. It's kind of tight in there to get it in there. If you need to take the seat off, you can definitely do that. It's only 2 bolts, so it shouldn't be too hard. So it's running now. No issues with the pressure sensor. You don't even have to turn the brake on for this. I think if you turn the brake on and get off it, it doesn't trip it, but you don't always need a brake. If you're not on a hill, you don't need to use the parking brake. So this is definitely nice to have upgraded. Well, I guess it's not an upgrade, it's just a little hack. And you're not supposed to do that because a kid can get chopped up in the lawnmower. But if you're not being ridiculous, it's something you might want to consider. If this helped you at all, comment down below. Let me know what model you have. Drop down there. Also, give me a thumbs up. Shares the video and gets this out to more people so we're not backfiring all over our yard and having to restart it nonstop. Nobody wants to do it.